Ranking nothing but a linear arrangement, right? We need to arrange some persons in a straight line. That line can be a vertical line or it can be a horizontal line. Vertical line related with the two words top and bottom, horizontal related with the two words left and right. And one more type of arrangement is row arrangement. In case of row arrangement, we have the words like front and back, or front and rear, or ahead, behind, or before and after. Okay. Are you listening or not? I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, only one or two. All of you try to give response. Okay, all of you. Then sorry?
What are we doing now? I just joined.
Yeah, we are just recapitulating previous class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, generally persons will consider facing north, right? For a person facing north, our right is right, our left will be left. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In that way, this will be the right end of the row and this will be the left end of the row. So this is the basic thing. And coming to the basic equation, how to find number of persons in a row or in a line?
Position of left is
Yeah, position of a person from
left
hand plus position of same person. This is important. Position of same person from
right hand.
right hand,
-1.
then -1. So why we are doing this -1? Because the same person is
We count the number twice.
yeah, the same person we are counting twice. That's why we have to reduce one. So if it is simplified, then n equal to LE plus RE -1, or we can say L plus R -1. If it is a vertical arrangement, we can say T plus B -1. Position from top plus position from bottom -1. Okay. Yeah. So we are doing some. We have done some examples also.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. We have taken one shortcut for between persons. Remember this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me ask a question. How many will use this shortcut? I will say no. In a class, a rank of A is 28 and that of B is 57. How many are there between them? Tell me. How many are there between them?
Sir, 29 people.
29? Is it correct?
7, sir. I think it's 28.
28 and 27 also.
29, sir.
There is 28.
28, sir.
Sorry. Yes, sir. It's 28, sir.
Yeah.
No, one thing,
What is
sir.
the
How many
shortcut here?
total number of people?
Sorry, total number of people are not required for this question. Even if I give total number of persons also, that is independent. Sorry, that is not the question is not dependent on that one.
Yes, sir.
Difference between the
Difference
A
minus
Positions?
and B
Yeah,
-1.
difference minus
Minus.
1. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Difference between their positions -1. What is the
Yes, sir,
difference between
28.
their positions?
Say 29.
29.
29 minus 1 is
28.
28 is the answer for this question. So here between persons shortcut for but it is from both are from the same end, right? Yes or no? This question, both the persons are we have to take from the same end because he has mentioned the rank. He has not mentioned is it from first or last. Either we will take both from first or we will take both from last. In both the cases, we'll get number of persons between them will be 28. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. And let me ask one more question.
Yes, sir.
In a row of some 75, A is 20 from left hand and that of B is 40 from right hand. How many are there between A and B? Yes. Answer for this.
Sir, 15 people.
Answer is 15. Yeah. What is the shortcut for this question?
So the difference between the
Is it
remaining-
overlap case or non-overlap case?
So non-overlap.
Non-overlap, because the total number of persons is less than, sorry, total number of persons is more than left and right positions. So here is the formula. Sorry, here's the shortcut point, that is, if you add a left and right, if it is less than total number of persons, then it will be non-overlap case. In case of non-overlap case, so how to get the number of people between? Simply take the difference. Difference of what? First add left and right positions. If you add these two, this is how much? 65.
60.
So here the given number 75 is greater than 65, or we can say 65 is less than 75. So here the answer is simply the difference of these
60,
two.
right?
The difference.
Sir, 60, sir.
So
60
60, right?
only. Okay. Sorry. That is 60 only. Yeah, 75 and 60. What is the difference?
So 15.
15 is the answer. 15 persons are there between them. Yeah. And one more question. Answer this. In a row of 75, A is 40 from left hand and that of B is 50 from right hand, or we'll take 60 from right hand. Okay, 60 from right hand. Then how many are there between A and B?
25.
Sir, 13.
Sir, 23.
Expected 25. How much?
25.
25.
Sir, minus 23, sir. Sir, 23.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir, 23.
23, sir.
So it is based on the next shortcut point, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
here,
sir.
if you add and left and right, so 40 plus 60, it is 100.
Yes,
This
sir.
left and right position is exceeding 75. Total number of persons, it is exceeding total number of persons, means it is an overlap case. So
Yes,
this is an overlap case. So in this case, we need to reduce two more persons. Who are the two persons? Our reference persons.
A and B.
Yeah. So actually the difference is 25, but our answer is minus 2. It will be 23.
23.
Okay. So difference minus 2. Yes. And one more thing here. In the last class, I told one pointer. So be ready with your solution for this question.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready with this?
Yes, sir.
How many of you tried this question after the class?
Sir, I tried for a bit, but I was unable to understand how is it data inadequate.
Data inadequacy. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah. Anybody can explain how it is? It will be data inadequate.
Sir, I guess it might be because just because there might be some infinite number of people or something, and there are only 10 in between.
might
both.
Infinite persons.
Sir, maybe, sir, maybe.
Okay.
But also, there can be overlap, right, sir? So we cannot tell if it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
It might or
Uh-huh.
might not be overlap, so we can get two different answers.
Okay.
Then if it is overlap, but then we'll get and the answer as
Right. Okay. Let me ask you a small question. Suppose in a seating arrangement question, only two persons are there between A and B. If this is the statement, only two persons are there between A and B. So for this statement, can I write this arrangement A with 1, 2 places gap? This is B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, but we do not know like
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it the only possibility or any other possibility?
left.
Yeah. What is that another possibility? So it can be B with the 2 places gap. It can be A also.
Yes, sir.
So both the arrangements are correct for the given statements. For the given statement, both the arrangements are true. Yes or no? Sir, these two
Yes, sir.
these two arrangements are same or different?
So different.
Different, sir.
Different.
Why? How they are different?
So because one of them will be overlapping and one of them won't be
No,
overlapping.
no, no. Tell for these two.
So like one is from the if you take
Left
A as the
hand.
reference point, then in the first case A is coming from the left hand side first. In the
Okay.
second case A is coming right hand side.
Okay,
first.
okay. Then or we can say between these two persons, relating one another, we can say. See,
Yes, sir.
in first arrangement, A is to the left of B. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In second arrangement, A is to the right of B. That's why these two are different arrangements. So if this type of statements are given, we should be very careful because we'll get possible arrangements, not a definite arrangement, not confirmed arrangement. We'll get possible arrangements. So here also the similar statement is available in our question.
Yes,
This
sir.
one. This is a dangerous statement. What is the danger in this? There are 10 persons between Chinnu and Junnu, but he has not mentioned that Chinnu is on the left of Junnu or right of Junnu.
Also, sir, we do not know if it's overlap or non-overlap.
Yeah. In one case it will be overlap and in one case it will be non-overlap. But
Yes.
basically Chinnu may be on the left of Junnu or he can be on the right of Junnu also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
we need to try both the
sir.
arrangements. That's why we need to try both the arrangements. I am trying both. See, this is suppose this is Chinnu and he is 24th from left hand, and this is Junnu and he is 32 from right hand. And there are how many persons between them?
So 10.
10 members between them.
10.
So this is one arrangement, and one more arrangement is this is Chinnu. He is 24th from left hand, and this is Junnu, and he is 32 from right hand, and there are 10 members between them. So in both the arrangements, it is 10 members only between them. Yeah, Piyush, tell me.
Sir, how is like 24 from left, meaning like it will always be from the other side, right?
No, this is the left hand. This is the left hand. So from left hand, his position is 32. In both the cases, this is left hand only. From
Yes,
left
sir.
hand, his position is 32.
So
From left hand, it's
Sorry.
24.
From left hand, it is 24 in both the cases.
Yes, sir. So then how can there be a change in possibility, sir? We should take the right hand value for the Chinnu, right?
Yeah,
But
no,
we
no, no,
don't-
no. We should not change the data, right? So 24th is from left hand only always, and 32 is from right hand only always. That is mentioned in the data. But here,
Okay,
how
sir,
we
I
are
see.
getting two possibilities is with respect to one another. In first case, Junnu is to the right of Chinnu. In second case, Junnu is to the left of Chinnu.
Okay, sir. Second one is the overlap. First one is normal.
Yeah, becomes overlap, and the first one is a non-overlap. So how, see here. So Chinnu, including Chinnu, how many are there to the left of Chinnu?
24.
24.
24. Okay, this side it is 24. Including Junnu, how many are there to the right of Junnu?
So 30.
32.
32.
13.
32 members are there. So left hand side there are 24 members, and right hand side there are 32 members, and between them there are
10 members.
10 members. How many are there in total?
64.
64 is one possible answer. 64 is one possible answer. That is also available in the options. Okay. And anybody tell the answer for second possibility? Anyone?
Sir, is
Sir,
it?
it's
It should be
66, right?
66?
66.
No,
24 plus 32 is 56, sir.
no.
No, sir. I mean like 24 plus.
We did the wrong
66.
calculation, sir.
That's what I'm saying, sir. 24 plus 32, 56. 56 plus 10, 66.
Okay, okay. This one for the first possibility you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Like
okay.
it will be 66.
Okay, okay. So the calculation is wrong here. 24
Yeah.
plus 32 is 56 already. Plus 10, it will be 66. Okay.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying.
Sir, I think the answer is 44.
Sir,
Sorry,
it's data
46.
inadequate.
What is the another possible answer?
So 46, I'm thinking.
46. Okay. Let me verify the answer here. Please respond. From left hand, Chinnu is how many person?
24.
24.
24. Including Chinnu, how many are there to the left of Chinnu?
24.
24.
24. Okay. From right hand, Junnu is how many position?
32.
36.
32.
32. Including Junnu, how many are there to the right of Junnu?
32 people.
32.
32. Okay, 32. Now see here, this side, left side is 24 and right side is 32. Total how many?
So 56.
56.
56. But these 56 members consist of some persons repeatedly. Yes, or no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
This region of persons we have counted twice. How many?
Yes.
Sir,
Sir, 12 people have counted twice.
Yeah, how it will be 12? Yes, are you there?
yes, now I can hear you.
Yes, sir, now it's audible.
Here, my internet connection gone.
Oh,
Power gone actually. I connected through mobile hotspot.
okay.
Okay, see, this 56 consists of some persons repeatedly. How many?
Sir, 12 people.
12.
How you got the 12? Actually, there are 10 members between A and B, na?
Sir,
Yes, sir,
we
10
counted,
and both Jinnu and
Chinnu
Chunnu.
again. That's
Yes,
why.
along with those
Chinnu and
10
Jinnu.
members, our reference persons also, that Chinnu and Junnu also are there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's why we
Yes,
need to
sir.
subtract 12 to get number of persons between them. So how many are there between, how many are there in total now?
Sir, 34.
44.
44 is the another possible answer. Okay, one possible answer is 66, another possible answer is 44. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Suppose if the question is, complete question is same, but the one statement is given like this. There are 10 persons between Chinnu and Junnu, and Chinnu is to the right of Junnu. How many are there between them? Sorry, how many are there in the row?
So then it's
So
4.
then I'll be 44.
Yeah,
40.
Chinnu is on the right of Junnu means it will be 44 only. So there is no possibility of first one. So if Chinnu is to
Yes,
the
sir.
left of Junnu, in that case,
So then it's 64.
66.
64.
then 66 is the only possible
66.
answer. Another answer is not possible. So because that point is not mentioned here, we need to try both. Okay. So let us find a shortcut for this, for these two possibilities. Oh shit. Okay. Just tell me one. Tell.
Sir, your
Anyone?
voice is breaking, sir.
There was tell me. Ma.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Now also.
Sir, now okay. Yes, sir. Now okay,
No.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Ma. Now power came here. See here. There are 10 persons between them. I'll write here. A is 24, not A, actually Chinnu, right? Chinnu is 24th from
Left.
end, and Junnu is 32 from right end. Okay, and there are 10 persons between. There are 10 persons between 10 persons are there. We are getting two possibilities or one possibility. In this case, we are getting two possibilities or one possibility. All of you, are you there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah,
We
I'm
are there.
asking the same
Sir,
question.
Yes,
This
sir,
question
we are
only.
there.
Sir, your voice is breaking in between.
Yes, sir. We were unable to hear you for like 2 to 3 seconds.
Okay, okay. 1 second. I'll disconnect my hotspot. Okay, now it is connected through Wi-Fi only. Yeah, I'm asking again. Tell me, Chinnu is 24th from left end and Junnu is 32nd from right end, and between them there are 10 members. Between Chinnu and Junnu there are 10 members. In that case, we'll get two possible answers or one possible answer. Total number of persons.
Sir, 2 answers.
2 answers,
Yeah,
sir. We
two
do not
possible
know.
answers.
2.
Okay, okay. Suppose if there are 100 members between.
So
We'll get
still
two possibilities or one possibility?
Sir, two.
Two possibilities, sir.
Two. There are 1,000 members between.
There are
Two,
two possibilities.
Two
Two,
possibilities.
sir.
Okay. There are one person between.
even then two, sir.
Two
Two, sir.
possibilities. Okay. And suppose there is no person between.
So then there can be two answers, sir.
Two possible answers. Okay. Suppose between them there are some 23 members between.
There's still two possibilities.
Two, sir.
So two.
We
So
don't
means
know
in every case
right
we'll get
now.
two possibilities, right? According to you.
Yes, sir. Unless and until they give left or right position of them, then yeah, it'll be two.
Okay, okay. Then see here. Let us find the shortcut. What is the Chinnu position? 24th from left hand, and Junnu is
32 from right.
32nd
32 from right hand. Okay, leave the bigger number here and we'll consider a small number. So what is Chinnu's position?
24 from left.
Fourth from left.
24.
Chinnu is 24th from left.
Left.
So now tell me maximum how many members you can accommodate to the left of Chinnu?
So only 23.
23.
23 persons only we can accommodate. Okay. So in one possibility, Junnu may be on the right of Chinnu, and another possibility, Junnu can be on the left of Chinnu. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is one possible place and this is
Yes, sir.
another possible place. In this possibility, and this when we will call it as non-overlap, right? Suppose I am giving numbering. This is 1 and this is 2. In position number 1, we'll get this will be in overlap case or non-overlap case.
So non-overlap, sir.
In this
Non-
non-overlap, we can accommodate any number of persons between them. Infinite persons also we can accommodate. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In case of overlap, if you see, so to the left of Chinnu, there is a possibility of maximum 23 members only. Of those 23 members, one of the person is Junnu. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me how many members you can accommodate maximum between Junnu and Chinnu. How many members you can accommodate maximum?
That 23 is there already, right?
23 including Junnu, but excluding Junnu between them. I'm asking.
22.
22 is the only possibility. So then in that case, how you can get to two possibilities if there are 100 members between them?
There can be three possibilities.
No, you are
Then
increasing one more
We
possibility.
have to take it as the Junnu is on the right hand side because you cannot fit 100 people between.
Yeah, in which case, overlap or non-overlap?
In overlap case, sir.
In overlap case, we cannot accommodate, we cannot place 100 members between them. That is not possible. That's why we'll get only one possibility. We'll get only non-overlap. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you got this point?
Yes, sir.
In case of non-overlap, it is okay. How many members you can place? But in case of overlap, and here I'm writing, this is right. Sorry, this is left hand. And this is the left position. And this is the right hand. Piyush, tell me. This is the right position.
Sir, can you repeat that maximum number of people in between thing?
Which one?
So the one you just explained, sir, like 22 people in between Junnu and Chinnu.
Yeah, maximum we can accommodate 22 members only between Chinnu and Junnu. In case of overlap, in case of non-overlap, we can accommodate any number.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so see here the shortcut point is take the smaller number between the given two numbers. Take the smaller number between 24 and 32. What is the small number?
24.
24. Do -2 for that. How much?
20.
22 means maximum we can accommodate 22 members only between Chinnu and Junnu in case of overlap case. And we cannot accommodate more than 22. If any number is given more than 22, we will get only one possibility. Only non-overlap we have to give the answer. If any number is less than or equal to 22 is given, we have to give both the possibilities. Got it? All of
Yes,
you?
sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, Again, I'm coming back to this one. Chinnu is 24th from left hand and Junu is 32nd from right hand. Between 10 members, how many possibilities you will get?
So 2.
2 possibilities. Okay. Between 100 members,
So only 1.
yeah, will not get 2 possibilities, will get only 1 possibility. What is that 1 possibility? Overlap or non-overlap?
So non-overlap.
No, no, no.
Non-overlap. Okay. And between 1000 members,
Only 1.
yeah, only 1 possibility. What is that one? Overlap or non-overlap?
Non-overlap.
Non-overlap only. So simply remember, non-overlap will exist in all the possible cases. Non-overlap exists in all possible cases. Overlap is limited to some possibilities only. And tell me, between one person, 2 possibilities or 1 possibility?
So 2.
2
Two.
possibilities means overlap and non-overlap both. Between no person,
So even then 2.
why? Because no person means it is 0 number of persons, because 0 is less than 22.
So it'll be there.
Yeah, we'll get 2 possibilities. Correct. And between 23 members,
So
sorry?
only
Yeah, only 1 possibility, because in this case, according to the given information, we can accommodate maximum of 22 only. So it is 23 is more than 22. That's why we can we will get only 1 possibility. What is that 1 possibility? Overlap or non-overlap?
so
Non-overlap. Okay.
No, no.
And one more thing here only. We'll take that point and we'll go to the another question. In case of overlap, sorry, in case of non-overlap, answer telling is very easy. Simply write number of persons. Sorry. Right position plus left position plus between persons will give number of persons. Yes or no? This 24 is
Yes, sir.
24 is left, 32 is right, 10 is between. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In case of overlap case, so see here how to tell the answer is right position plus left position minus we have to do. How much we need to do minus? Between persons plus 2 we need to do minus. Yes or no? This 24 is how much? Left position. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is this 32?
The
Right.
right position.
Right position. How much we are subtracting?
Between.
12 we are subtracting. Why 12?
Because
Because
12
between
people are
persons
repeating.
is 10. That's why we are subtracting 12. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if between persons is given as 10, then we'll subtract 12.
12.
Between persons is 5. How much will subtract?
7.
7,
7. Between is 12. Then
14.
14.
14 we need
Sir,
to
this
subtract.
is an overlap case, right?
Yeah, this is an overlap case only.
Okay, sir.
Non-overlap is common for all the questions. Overlap is limited to only some possible cases. In which possibility overlap exists? If the between persons is less than minimum position minus 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
Between the given 2 numbers, minimum position minus 2. Okay, let us do this example. See here. We'll use the shortcut method only. In a row of children, position of Kiranmai is 30 from right hand and that of Rohit is 40 from left hand. Here I'm writing basic information. Kiranmai 30 from right hand and Rohit is 40 from left hand. Now tell me between 30 and 40, what is the least number?
So
So
30.
30.
30 minus 2 is how much?
28.
28. Means maximum we can accommodate 28 members between in case of what? Overlap or non-overlap?
Overlap.
Overlap. Non-overlap means in for every number of people it is possible. It may be 1,000 or 100 or 1 lakh or even infinite numbers also. So non-overlap exists. This is for overlap. So now see here, how many children are there in the row if the number of persons between them is 10. So for this 10 people between, we'll get 1 possibility or 2 possibilities. Between persons is less than
Sir,
28 or
two
not?
There will be two possibilities, sir.
Two possibilities, yes, sir. So one possible answer is overlap. Sorry, first we'll do non-overlap. That is easy. Non-overlap. Answer is left position is how much?
Sir,
40.
40.
Right position is
30.
30 plus between persons
In between is 10.
10. How much? How many are there in the row?
80.
80. That is one possible answer. And the another possible answer is overlap case. Okay. And between, sorry, left position is 40. Right position is 30. Now we need to subtract. How much we need to subtract?
Sir, 12.
12. Because 10 is given, we need to subtract 12. Okay. 30 plus 40 is 70 minus 12 is?
Minus 8.
No.
Sir, 68.
Yeah, 58 or 68? 70 minus 12.
It's 58, sir.
58. Okay, so here the answer is either 80 or 58. Either 80 or 58. So both are possible. This is our answer, final answer for this question. And for the same information here, between persons is 30. For the same information. Yeah, again tell me. Between 30 and 40, least number is
30.
30 minus 2.
Sir, this time only one case possible.
28.
Yeah, let us see. 30 minus 2 is 28. Yeah, 28 members, we can accommodate a maximum 28 members, but he is asking to accommodate 30. Is it possible in case of overlap?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No means we'll get only one possibility. What is that one possibility?
Non-overlap.
Non-overlap. In case of non-overlap, telling answer is very
Sir,
easy.
100.
Yeah, left
100,
position
sir.
is 40, right position is 30, plus between persons is 30. So answer is 100. Very good. Okay. And one more question based on the same information. So between 30 and 40, least number
30.
30.
minus 2.
28.
28.
Maximum we can accommodate 28 only, but he is asking to accommodate
29 people.
29, which is not possible in
Overlap
No,
case.
overlap.
overlap case. Then we'll get only
One.
Non-overlap case.
non-overlap.
Which is
Non-overlap
99.
answer is left position,
40.
89.
right position
30.
30.
Plus 29.
Plus 29. Between persons is 29. Answer
Yes,
is
99. 99.
99. Yes. Only one possibility. 99. And one more example based on the same information. So between 30 and 40, least number 30
30.
minus 2, 28. Maximum we can accommodate 28 members, but he is asking to accommodate 25 only, which is possible in
Sir, overlap.
Non-overlap.
both the cases. Yes,
Both the cases.
overlap
Both
and
the cases.
non-overlap. Yes. So in case of non-overlap, answer is left is 40, right is
Sir,
30. Plus between,
95.
yeah,
Uh,
between
For
is 25.
non-overlap is
25.
95.
95 people.
95. Correct. So in case of overlap case,
Sir, 45.
yeah, left position is 40, right position is 30. We need to subtract here. How much we need to subtract?
Minus 27.
Yes, very good. 27 we need to subtract. 25 plus 2 is 27. We need to subtract. So 70 minus 27 is 50,
43, sir.
43 or 53?
Sir, 43.
Sir,
Okay.
43.
43. That is the another possible answer. So here the answer is either 95 or 43. Any one is possible. Yeah, in this case, one possibility or two possibilities?
2, sir.
Sir, one
Two.
possibility.
One, sir.
Yeah, one
Sir,
possibility
one,
only,
sir.
because the least number 30 minus 2 is 20, sorry, 28 only.
20.
We can accommodate 28 only, but he is asking to accommodate 100 members, which is not possible in overlap case.
Overlap case.
So only non-overlap. Answer is left position is 40, right position is 30
170.
plus 100. Yes, 170 members are there in total in the row. And one more question. No person between them.
So
One
two
possibility or two possibilities?
Sir, two possibilities.
Yeah, how it will be 2 means between 30 and 40, least number is 30, minus 2 is 28. So because 0 is less than 28, 0 is less than 28, we'll get 2 possibilities. So one possibility is left position is how much? In case of non-overlap, left position
40,
40, right position
40, 30,
30,
30. Plus how many are there between them?
0.
0,
0. So one possible answer is 70.
7,
And second possible answer, overlap case. Left position 40, right position 30. Now we need to subtract how much?
Sir, 2.
2,
2.
Yeah, very good. 0 plus 2. Between persons plus 2 is 2. 2 we need to subtract. So 40
68.
plus 30 is 70, minus 2 is 68. That is another possible answer. So both are possible, either or case. Either this or this. This is a separate question, and I think model is also changed. Okay, see. In a row of boys, Jenny and Lakshmi are 40 and 55 respectively from left end and right end. Okay, so first one, second one, second one, because it is respectively. Now if they interchange their positions, so this is an interchange case, interchange their positions, Jenny becomes 52 from left end. Now the question is, how many are there in the row? Try this and tell the answer.
Say one doubt, sir. In a boys' row, what are these two girls doing?
Sorry?
So it's a row of boys, then what are these two girls doing?
Don't confuse with the names, okay? Because okay, our next topic is blood relations. In blood relations, we will mention that point also. We should not gender by the names.
Okay, sir.
We should not declare gender by their names. Actually, these two are my brothers.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Okay, Janardhan, we call him sweet name is Jenny, and the other person is Lakshmi Narayana. We call him as a Lakshmi.
Oh, so sorry, sir.
No issue. Okay. Anybody answer? Final answer. How many are there in the row?
So just a minute.
Tell. Take your own time.
Sir, 106 people.
Sorry?
106 people?
106, 106.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Anyone with any other answer? If no one, will move on to the explanation.
Sir, just 2 minutes more. I am just trying a second case first.
Try. Yeah, second case will exist or will not exist. You should identify.
Yes, sir.
Ananya, got it?
Sir?
Got the answer?
Yes, sir. I said 106 too.
106
6.
only. Okay, your answer is same. Okay, this is Jenny, 40 from left end, and this is Lakshmi, and 55 from right end. Okay. Now if they interchange their positions. Now tell me the new person here is, this is Jenny, and the new person here is
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi. After interchanging, just tell me before going to another information, just tell me after interchanging, what is the position of Lakshmi from left end?
Sir, 52.
No.
Sir, Lakshmi, we do not know.
Sir,
Ah.
no, sir, it's sir, it's
No, no,
60.
right?
So just let me ask again.
So 67.
Jenny is 40 from left hand, and initially Jenny is 40 from left hand, and Lakshmi is 55 from right hand. After
it
these
beco-
two exchange their positions, after interchanging their positions, what is the position of Lakshmi from left hand?
So it'll be 40.
Yeah, 40 from left hand. What is the position of Jenny from right hand?
So 55.
55
Yeah.
from right hand. Yes, because
Right.
the new person here is Jenny, not Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And one more information is given here. After interchanging, Jenny becomes 52 from left hand. So Jenny becomes 52 from left hand. Okay, now I think you know the left hand position and right hand position for the same person, I think. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So for Jenny, after if you consider the new position here, for Jenny, left hand position is how much?
Sir, 52.
55. Left hand position. Okay, okay, sorry. 52 is the left hand
52.
position. Right hand
Yes, sir.
position is
55.
55.
55. If you do -1,
It'll become 106.
yeah, number of persons equal to left plus right -1.
Yes, sir.
So answer is 106.
Six.
Yes, this is the right answer. Correct answer. Okay, so here the after interchanging their position means here the intention is only persons will change their positions. Seat numbers will not change. Like in a theater, seat numbers will not change, right? Persons will change.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And so for this type of questions, in case of interchange questions, we don't need to do this much analysis also. Directly we can answer. See the shortcut method. In the given information, don't consider the person names, ignore person names, only consider numbers. Okay. Tell me 40 from. Tell me 40 from
Answer.
left hand or right hand?
Left hand.
Left hand.
Left
55 from
Right hand.
right hand. After interchanging, which information is given?
Sir, 52 from left hand.
52 from left hand.
Okay, here we need
40.
to find number of persons in the row. Number of persons equal to left plus right -1. Yes or no? After interchanging, left position is given or right position is given?
So left.
So left
Left
position is given.
So from the previous information, we need to consider right. That's all. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Sorry?
So what do we have to consider?
After interchanging, left is given from the previous information, take right. After interchanging, right is given from the previous information, take left.
So we have to do 55 plus 52 minus 1.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, sir, understood.
Here, if you consider person names, it may be confusing. If you ignore person names, it will be very easy. So after interchange, 52 left is given. For this combination, right combination is required. That's why I'm taking 55. So -1, it will be 106. Okay. Let us do one more question, and based on interchange positions only. And now you need to do using shortcut method.
Okay, sir.
Tell the numbers only. 30 from
30 women. Jyoti is 21 from right, sir.
right. 30 from right.
30 from right, sir. 21.
30 women is there, sir.
30 is total.
Okay,
Yes, sir,
okay.
30 is total.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Sorry,
Oh,
sorry.
sorry,
30 is
sir.
total. Okay. Don't need to consider here total number.
Yes, sir. 21 is from right.
21 is from right. Okay. Then 18 is from
Left.
18 is from left. After interchanging, which information is given?
What is the position of Jyoti from right hand?
So, okay, okay. Here is asking
but
the
the
reverse
number is
question.
given.
It is a reverse question for the previous question. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
He is
sir.
asking right position or left position?
The right position.
Right position.
Right position. Okay, see. So here the total number of persons equal to left plus right -1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In this, we
Yes.
need to find right. Right equal to n minus l plus 1. Yes or no?
N minus L. Yes, plus. Yes.
Yes, sir.
sir.
So yes, here the total number is
So
30.
30.
30 minus
30,
here L is required.
18.
In combination with R, we need L. So that's why L 18 plus 1.
13.
So 13. Yes,
2
13 is
plus
the
1,
answer.
20.
So which is a reverse question to the previous question. In that case, left right is given and one right is given, asking for the total number. Here, total number is given or asking for the right position.
Yes, sir.
I think there
Yes, sir.
will be one more question based on interchange. No, there is no interchange question.
Okay, sir.
If you want, I will give one interchange question. Okay, we'll see that interchange question last at the end if you have time.
We
Okay,
still have 13 minutes, sir.
sorry.
We have 13 minutes left, sir.
Let us complete this exercise and later, if you have time, I will give one or two more questions based on interchange questions.
Okay, sir.
Exchange
Okay,
questions. Okay, try to answer this question. How many buses are there in the queue? We have already completed this type and we are already ready with the shortcut. Let's see how many will use that shortcut. Yes, answer.
Sir, what is this rear ends?
Sir, total 30 buses are there.
Rear end means back end. Rear nothing but
Okay,
back.
Sir, 30 buses are there.
Answer 13. Sorry, 30.
Yes, sir. 30.
Okay. Anyone with any other answer? Yeah, this is similar to persons arrangement in a row or in a straight line. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But in place of persons, here buses are there. And
Yes.
here don't confuse with the bus numbers 101 and 201. So they are not useful for any calculation. These are bus names.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, bus number 101 and bus number 201 are considered bus names. Okay, tell me 7th is from front end, 7th from front end, and 14th from back end, 14th from back end. Okay, and tell me between these two, what is the least number?
The maximum rate.
No, least number is between 7 and 14. Least number is between 7 and 14. What is the least number?
Sir, 7.
7.
Why you are taking that much time for this question? 7 minus 2 is how much?
5.
5 means maximum we can accommodate only 5 buses between them. In case of overlap. Okay.
Sir, overlapping case is not possible, right?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
here it would be
Only
yes, maximum we can accommodate 5 buses only, but he is asking to accommodate 9 buses between them, which is not possible in overlap case. So then we have to do only non-overlap case. So in case of non-overlap, answer is
Sir,
left position
30.
is 7, right position is 14, plus between persons or between buses
sir, 9.
9. So
9.
that's all. Answer is 30. Correct.
30.
Sir,
Yes,
it's
very
the
good.
same thing as the before example.
Yes, the same thing. That is what I mentioned. After showing the question, I have mentioned that point. We are already ready with the shortcut. How many? Let's see how many will use that shortcut. Okay. Yeah, one more question. Yeah. And okay, here gender is also mentioned. Gender dependent question. Try this and answer this. Give your answer first. In a class of 64 students, rank of a boy Vijay is 7th. Number of girls in the class is thrice to that of boys. If the rank of Vijay is 3rd in only boys, how many girls are there behind Vijay?
So 48 girls.
Maybe. Let us verify. Anybody with any other answer?
Sir, can you give a minute?
Okay. Meanwhile, I'll write the options.
Sir, there are many possibilities, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, there are more than one possibilities. Sir,
40,
data inadequate.
47, 46, data inadequate. None of these. These are the options now.
Sir, D, for me, data inadequate.
Why? Why?
Because we do not know like if there are any girls in front of Vijay.
Yeah, sir, data inadequate.
Why?
Sir, I think it's
The
44.
same reason as previous.
Sir, I'm getting 44.
44.
Yeah,
Okay.
44.
Sir, it's 44.
44 is not there in the options. Okay. Let us add one more option. 44. Okay. Okay. If you give response to my questions, sir, we will answer this orally and later we'll see the solution.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just tell me what is the ratio of boys to girls in the class? Boys
Sir,
to girls.
Sir, 3
1
is
is
to
to
1.
3.
1:3, not 3:1.
Sir,
Boys
1
to
is to
girls
4.
is
Oh, yes, sir. Boys to girls is 1:3.
boys are of one part, girls are of
3 parts.
three parts. Total
3.
Sir, total
4x is equal to
16
parts.
boys and
Okay.
48 girls.
If you divide 64 into 4 parts, each part value
Sir, you'll get
16.
4
Sir,
divide
16.
into 4
Which is
parts.
equal to 16.
Yeah, each part 16 means there are 16 boys and remaining
48
48 is girls.
48 girls. Okay. In that class, or if you consider in only boys, what is the rank of that Vijay?
Sir,
Third.
third.
Third means there are 2 boys ahead of Vijay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
There
Yeah,
are-
understood, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are 2 boys. Ahead of Vijay. And actually in class, how many students are there before? Means ahead of that Vijay?
So 6.
6.
6.
Out of those 6
people.
members, 2 boys, right?
So 3
Yes.
boys, right? Including
No, no,
Vijay?
no. He is third. Means before that Vijay,
Yes, sir.
2 boys.
Five,
Ahead
yeah.
of that Vijay, 2 boys are there. Even in the class also, there will be 2 boys only, but there are 6 students. How we are getting 6 students? Because the remaining 4 are.
So then 43 should be an option.
No, no, no. Remaining 4 girls are there. Ahead of Vijay, there are 4 girls.
Yes,
Means
sir.
behind, out of 48 to
44.
44, remaining 44 girls are ahead of.
Yes.
Behind
Behind.
that Vijay. Let me give the solution here. Boys to girls. Answer is 44. Correct answer. Boys to girls ratio is 1:4. 1:3. 1:3. One is to 3. So total 64. If we divide into 4 parts, each part value 16. Means there are 16 boys and 48 girls. Okay. Yeah. Here I'm taking 2 columns. One is for only boys. Another is for class. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In only boys, what is the rank of Vijay?
Sir, third.
He is third from top, right? So before that Vijay, how many boys are there? 2 boys, right? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the class, what is the rank of Vijay?
Sir, 7.
7th.
7th from top. Means before that Vijay or ahead of that Vijay, there are 6 students, not boys, 6 students. So of these 6 students, 2 boys we know already, and the remaining 4 are
Girls.
girls. Okay. Now coming to the solution. Out of 48 girls, 4 girls are ahead of Vijay, and after Vijay or behind Vijay, there are remaining 44 girls. All of you got this point?
Yes, sir.
Moving on to another question. I think last but one question. This one. Read the information and tell the answer. Yes, answer.
So I think it's 6.
6. Okay. What is the position of Sai from left hand? Okay. Anybody with any other answer? Six, 7, 5. Data inadequate. And
So 2 minutes.
data inadequate and none of this. Just tell me here, there are 14 persons between Nagendra and Sai. That information is given. We'll get one possibility or two possibilities.
Sir,
We'll
only
get
one.
one possible arrangements or
one
two possible
possibility.
arrangements.
Only one, sir.
Only one.
Only one. Why only one?
Sir,
Sir, because it will be from the same side, right?
No, not from the same side.
even if we subtract 14 from 15, the total number of people won't be met. Like, even if you give it, if it's an overlap, the total number of people won't be satisfied. That's why we can overlap.
Yeah, very good. Yes, see here. This one. If I take this one as Nagendra, person Nagendra, and he is 15th from right end. 15th from right end. Okay. On the right of Nagendra, how many are there? Excluding Nagendra. How many on the right of Nagendra? How many are there?
Sir, 20.
14.
From right end, his position is 15. Okay. From right end, his position is 15. Excluding Nagendra, how many are there to the right of Nagendra? There are 14 persons
14.
only. 14 persons only. If you place that another person, who is that another person? Sai on the right of Nagendra. One person is Sai. Then how many persons will be there between them? Maximum?
So 13.
13 only. But he is asking to accommodate
14.
14 persons between. Means this possibility will not exist. Okay, this possibility should not be there. And what is another possibility is this is Nagendra, 15th from right end, and the other side, this is Sai, and there are 13 members between. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me. So from right end, what is the position of Nagendra?
Sir, I think it's supposed to be 14, right?
Between.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Sorry.
Give my question.
Yes. 14 only. Between them, there are 14 members given in the given information, that is 14. Okay, see. What is the position of Nagendra from right end?
Sir,
Sir,
15.
15. From Nagendra, what is the how many person is Sai?
15.
15th person.
Yeah, between them there are 14 means he is the 15th person. 15th
Yes, sir.
person from Nagendra, but Nagendra is already 15th from right end. Now can I say Sai is 13 from right end?
Yes, sir. So he'll be 5th from left.
Yeah, but he is asking from left end.
Yes, sir. 5th.
So here we know total number of persons and right position is there. We can find left position. Using this one, left plus right minus 1 equal to number of persons.
Yes, sir.
Okay, left we need to find plus right position is how much? 30 minus 1 equal to number of persons is
35.
35. Solve for L. How much you got?
35 minus 9 is 29 is equal to 6.
6, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Correct answer.
Sir, we can do it in a different way, sir. Easier way.
Easy way means?
like you in some previous questions you gave like the position of the left hand person plus the middle number of people plus the right hand position of the second person will give the total number of people.
Yes, yes, correct.
Yes, it's
Yes.
a non-overlap.
We can do in that way also, but we need to confirm this. There will be overlap is there or not there. We need to confirm that, and later we can apply that one. Yes, correct. What you said is correct. So there is no overlap case. So simply non-overlap only. In case of non-overlap, answer is number of persons is left position plus right position plus between, right? This is what you are mentioning, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct. So you know between and the right position, you need to find left position. Yes, correct. You'll get the same answer. And shall we do our last question or we don't have time?
So we'll do one more question, sir.
Yeah, this is the last question. With this question, we'll wind up the session. And today I will upload this video as well as this PDF also in our Google Classroom.
Okay, sir.
In the last class,
Okay.
this is not completed. That's why I have not uploaded it in the Google Classroom. Today I will upload this PDF also. Okay, do this question. We'll make it fast. I'm taking one arrangement, row arrangement. 4 members of a family are seated in a row facing north. All the persons are facing towards north. For a person facing north, this side is right and this side is left. And Jyoti is 40 from left end and is 24th to the right of Chinni. Suppose this is Jyoti and she is 40 from left end and the same person. So here and represent the same person. Jyoti is 24th to the right of Chinni. Jyoti is right of Chinni means Chinni is the left of Jyoti. So this is somewhere Chinni and 24th person means this gap is 24, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 24 means it is not between persons. Between persons are 23 only. But here 24 number means Chinni is 24th from Jyoti or Jyoti is 24th from Chinni. Okay. Next here who represents the second person, that is Chinni. Replace this who by Chinni. Chinni is 17th to the left of Kushi. So Chinni is left of Kushi means Kushi is to the right of Chinni. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Somewhere in between.
Yes, sir.
Somewhere between Chinni and Jyoti or out of Chinni and Jyoti.
So in between Chinni and Jyoti.
Sir, between.
Between only because this number is less than 24. Okay, somewhere here I'm taking this is Kushi. And
Sir, also one doubt here, sir.
tell. This gap is
Shouldn't there be 23 people in between instead of 24?
23 people between, but here I have mentioned this point already. 24 nothing but this person's position with respect to another person. Chinni is 24th from Jyoti or Jyoti is 24th from Chinni.
Okay, sir. So you are writing the position. instead
Yes,
of the
one
number of
person's
people.
position with respect to other person I am writing. The directly position I am writing, not between persons. And here who represent the second person, that is Kushi. Now Kushi is 15th to the left of Vishwa. Kushi is on the left of Vishwa means Vishwa is to the right of Kushi. So now tell me what is this gap here? Out of 24, 17 is completed. Remaining number
7.
7. But he had given 15th. 15th means it will be out of Jyoti, to the right of Jyoti. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 8
Yeah.
to the right.
Somewhere here I'm taking Vishwa and this gap is
15.
15. Automatically this gap will be
8.
8. Okay. Now the question is, one more information is given.
Vishwa is
Vishwa.
15th from left.
Vishwa is 15th from right hand.
Right.
So this Vishwa is 15th from right hand. Okay. So here, if you know any one person's position from left hand and right hand, we can find the number of persons in the row. Yes or no? Yes or no? If we know any person's left position and right position, and we can give number of persons in the row. Are you there? What happened? Jyoti's left 40. Vishwa's right 15. Between 7. Total
Sir,
my voice is not there till now.
yes, sir.
Okay,
Uh,
okay. See, including Jyoti, to the left of Jyoti,
Sir, 40. Sir,
40.
we can directly take Vishwas, right?
Vishwa also. Here I am considering that one also. Including Vishwa, to the right of Vishwa,
15.
15. Between Vishwa and Jyoti,
8.
not 8.
Eight.
8 per
7
8 is the
people, 7
position
people, 7 people.
between
Yeah.
7 people. So total how many are there in the row?
Sir, can you
62.
scroll down?
62.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can directly take Vishwa's position from left hand side and right hand side and -1. Right?
Yes, sir. Based on Jyoti, we can find Vishwa's left position also
Yes, sir. 48.
by adding, yes, 48. 15 plus 48 minus 1.
Yes, sir. 48 plus
You'll get
15
the
is
same
16 -1. Yeah, 62.
Yeah. With respect to Vishwa, left is 48, right is 15. So we'll get 48 plus 15 minus 1.
Yes, sir. 62.
Same answer, 62. Even with respect to Chinni also will get the same answer, Kushi also will get the same answer, and Jyoti also will get the same answer. Okay, so these are nothing but seating arrangement questions only, one row arrangement, but here the number of persons are more compared to seating arrangement. Between persons is more. Okay, so this is overall ranking topic. We have completed ranking. In the next class, we'll start blood relations. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.